Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of Pure Mathematics 1 is simultaneous equations involving one linear and one non-linear equation. So here is a question. If you look at the first equation, that is linear. Linear stands for maximum power 1. So in this equation, you can see the maximum power of the x and y is 1. And the second one is non-linear. Non-linear stands for more than 1 or other than 1. So, second is nonlinear. The method to solve these kind of the simultaneous equation is express one known in terms of the other from the linear equation. So, this is the linear equation. So, we are taking it. So, from here you can see y can be expressed easily in terms of the x. So, 7 minus 2x. So one known in terms of the other. Call this equation number 3 because it has taken from equation number 1. So put it in the other equation, that is 2. So put in 2. So here is x square minus x will remain as it is. And in place of y, you will put this value of y. So 7 minus 2x plus y square. So plus y square is 7 minus 2x whole square is equal to 7 will remain as it is. From here we will simplify the values. So x square, this x is going to be multiplied inside the bracket. So minus 7x and plus 2x square. This plus sign will make no effect on the inner signs. So open this bracket by applying a minus b whole square formula. So 49 plus 4x square minus 7 4s are 28. X is equal to 7 will remain as it is. Okay, at this step, simplify more values. So x square plus 2x square will 3x square plus 4x square will make 7x square. Okay, now x, so minus 7x and minus 28x will be minus 35x. Okay, finally this 49, this 7 will shift to left hand side and remaining will be plus 42 equal to 0. So all these values are simplified now. At this step we can see that we can take 7 as common. That will make the equation more simple. Okay, 7 will be taken as common and will be shifted to right hand side to make it 0. So the remainder will be x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation now after taking 7 common and 7 will be shifted to right hand side. So this is the simplified form now. Now we are going to solve it. Multiply the coefficient of the first one with the last one. So it will make 6 and the coefficient of the linear variable is 5. So think a pair of numbers whose multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction equal to this one. So these will be 6 and 1. Okay, write the singular variable with them. This sign is showing us, is telling us that both these values will have same sign. And this sign is telling us that minus sign will be with both values. Now write this pair in place of this one. So x square and this pair is going to be placed in place of this one. So minus 6x minus x and plus 6 equal to 0 will remain as it is. At this step, make pairs, take common. From the first pair, x is common. Remainder is x minus 6. From the second pair, minus 1 is common and x minus 6 equal to 0. Out of these two brackets which are common, one bracket will be copied and the values outside the bracket will be copied in the second bracket equal to 0. From here you can see x is equal to 6. This is from first bracket, and from second bracket you can see x is equal to 1. Okay, when we will put x is equal to 6 in third equation, so look now, to 6 are 12, so 7 minus 12 will be y minus 5. And when we will put x1 in place of this x in third equation, so 7 minus 2 will be equal to 5. So solutions are 6 minus 5 and 1 5. So these are the solutions equation. And here is a question. If you look at the question, the first equation is linear. Linear stands for the maximum power is 1. So in this equation you see the maximum power is 1, and non-linear stands for other than 1. So this is non-linear equation and the requirement is solve it. So whenever these kind of the questions come in the paper, the method to solve this kind of question is express one unknown in terms of the other from the linear equation. So from the linear equation we are taking linear equation, so from 1, so x will be equal to 5 minus y. Call this equation number 3. So one unknown in terms of the other. So this is from 1. So put it in the other equation, that is 2. So put in 2. So here is x, so 5 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 13. So now open the bracket by applying a minus b whole square formula. So the 25 plus y square minus 10y plus y square is equal to 13 will remain as it is. From here you can see y square plus y square will be equal to 2y square, minus 10y will remain as it is, and this 13 will be shifted to left hand side and it will be plus 12 equal to 0. At this step you can see we can take the common so that this equation will be in more simplified form. So 2 will be taken as common and will be shifted to right hand side. So y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation now. Now we will solve it. Multiply the coefficient of the first one with the last one, that is 6, and the coefficient of the central value is 5. So think a pair of numbers whose multiplication equal to this one, addition or subtraction equal to this one. So these are actually 6 and 1, because 6 ones are 6 and subtraction is equal to 5. Write the singular variable with it, with both numbers. This sign is showing is telling us that both values will have the same sign, and the previous sign is telling us that minus sign will be with the both values. So now put this pair in place of the central value. So the equation will become now y square minus 6y minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 will remain as it is. At this step make pairs, take common. So y is common, y minus 6 will be remainder in the first bracket. From second bracket minus 1 is the common. So y minus 6 is the remainder. Write one bracket out of these two common brackets. So y minus 6 in first bracket and outside values will be put in the second bracket. From here you can see y is equal to, from here y is equal to 6, and from here y is equal to 1. So putting this y is equal to 6 in equation 3. So when we will put 6 over here, so 5 minus 6 will be minus 1. So x will be minus 1. And when this 1 will be placed at the place of y, so 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. So the solutions are minus 1 and 6. And the second solution is 4, 1. So these are the solutions of these simultaneous equations.